Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resync audio not working. So here's what you're gonna do. You want to go to search, type in control panel. In control panel, you want to find sound. Double click on it till it opens. Now in here, find your speakers that you're currently using. For me, it's going to be the headphones. Double click on it. Go to levels. Now make sure that it's not the headset earphone is not set to 0 or that is not muted. If you mute it, you won't hear anything. I'll go to advanced here. Go to device manager. In here, go to audio. In my case, this is the speakers. You want to right click on it, go to properties, go to drivers, and then update driver, and then search automatically. And if it's up to date, it won't update, but here's how you can do it. Close this out. Here's what you're going to do. Go to search, type in run. In run, you want to type in MS Info 32. Once it opens, you want to look for baseboard product. In my case, B450. You want to copy this whole thing. Now you want to go to Google and type in B450 in my case. And you want to click the first link, which is your motherboard manufacturer. Now you want to go to support here and now go to drivers and downloads and go to drivers. And now here find onboard audio, which is this one, which is latest and greatest. You want to download it and then install it. And after you install it, your game should work properly. What also you can do is update your graphics drivers. If you have NVIDIA, it will install the NVIDIA audio drivers also if you haven't done it. Also, you want to disable the NVIDIA overlay. What also you can do is go to device manager again. If nothing else works, go to sound, video, and game controllers, and you want to disable the NVIDIA high definition audio. Go to right click on it and then simply click disable and then see if that helps your issue, because the NVIDIA audio driver sometimes bugs out. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced audio not working. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.